Handa ka na bang tuklasin ang forecast mo for April 2025? Alamin kung ano ang naghihintay sa iyo sa pamamagitan ng tarot reading na ito. Ang mga pagkakataon at hamon na darating. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa paglalakbay na ito. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to introduce myself. This is M from M's Guide Tarot Reading and I am an intuitive tarot reader. In this channel, we usually post monthly predictions for all the zodiac signs, and we also usually post collective love readings. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get your daily dose of guidance and tarot reading. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so ang tema para sa Virgo, para sa buwan ng Abril, ay isolation. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng isolation? Ang isolation, this is all about pakiramdam mo para kang mag-isa sa mga gagawin mo ngayong April, or you feel isolated, you feel na parang wala kang karamay, and this might be an overall theme for April. So, isolation can be a good and a bad thing. So, ano bang pwede mong gawin? Kapag isolated ka or ikaw ay independent or mag-isa, madami kang pwedeng gawin. Like, maaari ka magkaroon ng mga realizations about your strengths and your weaknesses. And with those realizations, malalaman mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin at ano yung mga dapat mong gawin para sa'yo, para umunlad ka ngayong buwan ng Abril. So, it can also feel a little bit sad and lonely kasi nga may mga oras na mararamdaman mo na parang wala kang kasangga or walang tumutulong sa'yo. Pero take it as a challenge this month of April na kung mararamdaman mo na merong isolation or ikaw ay nag-iisa, take it as a challenge na sabihin mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo ang mga challenges na darating sa'yo, kaya mong lutasin ang mga problema na darating para sa'yo. Okay, for the month of April, para sa iyong career reading, dear Virgo, there is the Four of Pentacles in the upright and the Five of Wands in the upright. So, pagdating sa career mo, ngayong April, meron kang gustong makuha ngayong Abril. It might be a goal. Pwedeng ito ay isang opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo at gagawin mo ang lahat para makuha ito. So, parang there might be other people who will be vying or pwedeng hindi lang sa'yo inalok itong opportunity na ito pagdating sa career. So, you will see to it at talagang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na deserve mong makuha itong career opportunity na ito. With the clarifying cards here, it's saying, there is a masculine energy represented by the King of Cups in the upright who will be giving you this opportunity. Maaring siya yung magdala sa'yo ng news about this opportunity. It might be a business opportunity, it might be a career growth opportunity, and dahil ikaw ay talagang pakiramdam mo ay deserve mong makuha ito, pag-iisipan mo itong binigay sa'yo na opportunity or career growth pagdating sa iyong karera or maybe in business, if there is an opportunity for business. And with the next set of cards here, the World card in the reverse, the Princess of Pentacles in the reverse, and the Strength card in the upright. Being a Virgo yourself, maaring mahirapan ka with this opportunity because it will parang sasabihin sa'yo na madami kang sacrifices na kailangan gawin. And those sacrifices will be very, very hard for you to do. Maraming kasi malaki itong opportunity na makukuha mo. And maaring may sacrifice kang gawin pagdating sa pamilya, maaring relationships might end because of this opportunity. Because I see here that there might be some traveling involved pagdating sa yung career or sa business. So, you have to keep in mind that if you want this growth or itong opportunity na ito, kailangan panindigan mo. Hindi pwedeng half foot in and half foot out. Kailangan both foot out and willing ka to take the risk kung gusto mo talaga itong makuha. And with the last set of cards here, you will feel na ito ay parang selfish motive. Pero, kailangan mong i-end or lagyan ng ending yung pag-iisip na ito ay selfish motive mo. Hindi to selfish kung ito ay magbibigay sa'yo ng kasiyahan. Tandaan mo yan. Ang journey mo ay sa'yo, hindi nakasalalay sa ibang tao yung yung paggawa mo ng desisyon tungkol dito. Kailangan unahin mo muna yung sarili mo sa ngayon because that will give you growth. Yun ang palagi mong tandaan. Yun yung guidance para sa'yo. If you're thinking na this is a selfish move for you, this is not selfish. This is more of an opportunity was given, and if you let this opportunity pass, then baka hindi na ito dumating ulit sa'yo in the future. So, yan ang career or business or parang yung financial reading mo for the month of April. Okay, so this is your love reading for those of you who are in a relationship for the month of April, dear Virgo. Kung ikaw ay hindi in a relationship, you can skip this part and go to the next part. So, for those who are in a relationship, ang card na lumabas ay ang Knight of Wands in the reverse. So, for the romance department, for those of you na in a relationship, you might be feeling a little bit flirty this month of April. So, maaring you might be attracting other people when it comes to your charisma, and people will find you very attractive. And with the clarifying cards here, ang sinasabi, uh, if you and your partner right now are already committed and gusto niya nang magpakasal or magkaroon ng pamilya, ang sinasabi dito, ah, there might be that talk na hindi ka ready na pag-usapan. Kunwari, if you and your boyfriend has been together for quite some time already, sinasabi dito, you're not ready to have that talk. Kasi, parang hindi ka pa ready mag-tie down or hindi ka pa ready mag-settle down. If you are already married, ang sinasabi naman dito, um, you two or you and your partner will have that talk about the future of your family. And it can be na merong trauma pagdating sa affairs or cheating. Dito ang sinasabi. Pero parang ikaw, yung trauma na yon parang you want to erase it. If you are married. But if you are committed and you are with the long-term partner and you're talking about marriage or putting your commitment to a higher level of commitment, sinasabi dito, hindi ka pa ready. And ang next set of cards here, the Six of Swords in the reverse, the Hermit card in the reverse, and the Seven of Swords in the upright. Ang sinasabi dito, you might be parang for the sake of para lang matapos na yung usapan about dun sa pinag-uusapan nyo ng partner nyo, yung higher level of commitment, or if you're talking about marriage, you might just agree for the sake of para lang matapos na yung usap about dun. So, but technically, you're actually not telling the truth about how you really feel about the situation. If you are married and meron kang trauma about third parties, uh, maaaring kinikimkim mo yung usapan tungkol sa pagkakaroon ng third party in your relationship. Okay, for those of you who are single, ang sinasabi dito, you're attracting a lot of other single people around you. So, Knight of Wands in the reverse, you're being very flirtatious or talagang you are in your element this April. And with the clarifying cards here, lumabas ang King of Swords in the reverse and the Emperor in the reverse. So, may dalawang masculine energy na paparating sa'yo ngayong April, maaring you have this connection with the two masculine energies. Magkakaroon kayo ng connection, maaring ka-talking stage ito, maaring kaibigan na nagpaparamdam. And with the clarifying cards here, it's saying, you like the attention. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. You like the attention, but para sa'yo, mahirap kasing mamili dahil pareho mong gusto itong dalawang taong ito na magbibigay ng atensyon sa'yo. Alam mong mali, but at the same time, you're enjoying the attention or yung binibigay sa'yo na parang atensyon, yung parang pinupukaw ang iyong damdamin, and you will get a lot of eyes or judgment when it comes to parang namamangka ka sa dalawang ilog. Pero, ang sinasabi dito, if it makes you happy, then do it. Kasi, there's no commitment. Ano pa lang naman parang you're still in that dating, talking stage, and, parang, hindi ka naman nakatali sa iba. So, okay lang to have fun. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. But of course, be mindful kasi baka mamaya ikaw din mismo ay parang nafo-fall na or baka maaring paasahin mo yung parehong tao pero wala ka naman palang sasagutin dun sa dalawa. So, just be mindful. Just be parang go with the flow. Huwag masyadong seryosohin. And be mindful. Yun lang. Balansehin. Huwag masyadong mag-exert ng effort. Okay, so this is your health reading for the month of April, Virgo. Kung meron kang nararamdaman or meron kang mga parang ailments or yung parang may mga symptoms na lumalabas sa iyong physical reality or yung katawan mo, now is the time to have that check-up or to go to visit the doctor. Kasi maaring sinasabi mo sa partner mo or sa pamilya mo na okay ka lang, but in reality, you're not. Maring marami ka nang nararamdaman na ailments, so wag mo nang pagtakpan yung mga nararamdaman mo. If you need help, ask the help of your loved ones kasi sila ang tutulong sa'yo para ikaw ay parang you will go to a better direction when it comes to your health condition. So, ask help from others. Wag mo nang don't have second guesses when it comes to your health and go and seek the consultation of a health professional for the month of April. So to end your tarot reading session, I have here oracle cards with me for extra guidance. And the first one is, a personal issue reaches its resolution. So may issue ka na magkakaroon na ng closure. And the next one is, your hard work is paying off.